Welcome back to the channel. If you're focused on high-income ETFs, weekly cash flow, and option-based strategies, today's video is going to be extremely important. Because in 2026, something interesting is happening. ULTY, the YieldMax Ultra Option Income Strategy ETF, is outperforming MSTY, the YieldMax Mr. Option Income Strategy ETF. And that's surprising to a lot of investors. MSTY was one of the most hyped YieldMax ETFs because it's tied to MicroStrategy, Bitcoin exposure, and massive volatility. But in 2026, ULTY is quietly delivering better consistency, stronger risk control, and more dependable income. So in this video, we're going to break down what ULTY actually is, how MSTY really works under the hood, why volatility alone doesn't guarantee better returns, why ULTY's structure is winning in 2026, which ETF is better for income, capital preservation, and long-term sustainability. This is not financial advice. This is education only. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. What is ULTY? ULTY stands for YieldMax Ultra Option Income Strategy ETF. Unlike single stock YieldMax ETFs, ULTY is diversified by design. Here's the key idea. ULTY does not rely on one underlying stock. Instead, it rotates across multiple high volatility equities, uses systematic covered call strategies, adjusts exposure based on market conditions. ULTY is built to be adaptive, not emotional. Where single stock YieldMax ETFs rise and fall with one ticker, ULTY spreads that risk. This matters more than ever in 2026. Because markets are more volatile, more headline driven, more sensitive to macro events, ULTY thrives in that environment. What is MSTY? Now let's talk about MSTY. MSTY is the YieldMax Mr. Option Income Strategy ETF. It is entirely tied to MicroStrategy, MSTR. And Mr. itself is essentially a leveraged Bitcoin proxy, a company whose stock price swings violently with crypto sentiment. That volatility is what attracts income investors. Because high volatility equals higher option premiums, higher premiums equals higher distributions. But here's the catch. Volatility works both ways. MSTY's performance is completely dependent on Bitcoin price action, Mr. management decisions, crypto regulatory headlines, risk on versus risk off sentiment. In 2026, that dependence is becoming a liability. The big myth: more volatility equals better returns. Many investors believe if MSTY is more volatile, it must outperform ULTY. That's not how option income works long term. Here's the truth. Volatility increases premiums, but extreme volatility increases drawdowns. Drawdowns hurt NAV. NAV erosion limits future income. MSTY has incredible income months. But it also has sharper drops, harder recoveries, greater dependency on perfect timing. ULTY avoids this trap. Why ULTY is winning in 2026? ULTY is outperforming MSTY in 2026 for three main reasons. 1. Diversification of risk. ULTY does not care if one stock collapses. MSTY does. If Bitcoin drops 20%, MSTY feels all of it. ULTY barely notices. 2. Smarter option management. ULTY adjusts strike selection, exposure levels, rolling frequency. MSTY is forced to stay aggressive. Aggression feels good in bull runs. It hurts badly in sideways or choppy markets. 3. Income sustainability. ULTY prioritizes repeatable income distribution stability. NAV preservation. MSTY prioritizes maximum premium extraction. In 2026, sustainability is winning. Distributions, consistency versus extremes. Let's talk income. Yes, MSTY can produce eye-popping distributions. But look closer. MSTY distributions swing dramatically month to month, depend heavily on Bitcoin momentum, are harder to plan around. ULTY distributions are more stable, easier to forecast, more reliable for budgeting if you're retired, semi-retired, or income dependent. This matters a lot. Big checks don't matter if they're followed by NAV crashes, distribution cuts, capital losses. NAV erosion, the silent killer. NAV erosion is the biggest enemy of option income ETFs. Here's what's happening in 2026. MSTY is experiencing higher NAV decay. ULTY is protecting its base when NAV drops. Option premiums shrink, income potential declines, recovery becomes harder. ULTY's diversified approach reduces drawdowns, preserves future earning power. This is why ULTY is pulling ahead. Let's look at the investor psychology. MSTY attracts excitement investors. ULTY attracts disciplined investors. And over time, discipline wins. MSTY requires emotional control, high risk tolerance, willingness to stomach volatility. ULTY rewards patience, long-term planning, income focused. 2026 is punishing emotional investing. Who should own ULTY? ULTY is ideal for income-focused investors, portfolio stabilizers, YieldMax diversification, weekly or monthly cash flow planning. MSTY is better suited for aggressive traders, crypto bull investors, high-risk allocations. The problem is many investors used MSTY as an income fund. ULTY is proving to be the better income tool. Portfolio role comparison. ULTY serves as a core high-income ETF, designed to provide steady returns alongside established assets like SCHD, JP, or QQQI. Its nature ensures that investors experience lower volatility, creating a smoother ride in turbulent markets. MSTY, on the other hand, acts as a satellite position, offering potentially higher returns through speculative income enhancement. In 2026, portfolios that incorporate ULTY will showcase greater stability, reflecting its role in minimizing market fluctuations while achieving reliable growth, ultimately providing investors with peace of mind as they navigate their financial journeys. In conclusion, ULTY outperforming MSTY in 2026 isn't an accident. It's the result of smarter structure, better risk control, sustainable income design. MSTY is exciting. ULTY is effective. And in long-term income investing, effectiveness beats excitement every single time. If this exploration has sparked your interest, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe for additional insights on ETF income strategies, and share your thoughts below. Are you invested in ULTY, MSTY, or possibly both? Thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to our next encounter. Your engagement is greatly appreciated, as it helps us grow and continue sharing valuable content. Until next time, take care and happy investing.